So I got this 2016 RAV4 and I need to replace the rear brake light. And I saw a video, so I thought I'd try it. This is Texas, so I think we're only like 90 something degrees today, if I remember right. That was pretty good. It's either a 10 or a 7/16 according to the video. And my socket set is safely somewhere safe. In other words, I put it down. I don't know where I put it. Fun times. That's okay. Instead of you getting to watch me struggle through 2 bolts, I'm gonna just pause for a moment. There we go, and get my technique back a little bit, and come back once I've got those off. So I discovered something when I was a little over halfway out. Get it far enough, and hey, it's just fingers. So that sped things up a bit. Let's see if I can get this one too. Fun. Now, the guy said you had to pull this kind of out, not forward. So I'm gonna. I don't have anywhere to hold this. That's fun. Here, you can watch me struggle. Okay, not that way, not that way. I'm gonna put it down so you can see me from the least flattering angle possible, other than maybe behind. This light pod doesn't seem to want to come out. There's a... Okay, so here. I'm gonna recreate this because I did do it once. I was over here, I knew this have to come straight out, right? So finally, I went, oh, let me turn this thing around so that, let's see if you can see. There we go. So finally, I just went, bam, and pushed it backwards. And that works because there's a little clip here. Oops. Now I'm all backwards again. There's a little clip here it just slides into, so that really works well for pulling it out. Now, I don't want to break anything, so I hit the side of my light pod to pull it backwards because it's all clipped on this little clip here. After I pulled the screws out, this is what it looks like. This top one should be the brake light. When I look at it, I wonder if they look the same. Okay, so I don't know what's going on with my recording, but I decided to check the brakes before I just assume that everything's okay. So lights are not on, and the lights on. Now I need something to push my brake down with, and as you can see, I thought about this way in advance. No, not really. Let's see if this works, or if it's too wide. I don't want to really push the brake and the throttle down at the same time. That could be bad. Up here on the seat, the brakes should be on. That brake light's on. This brake light's on. Yay! Now I've got to do, tap it back in place. Don't forget to put the screws in. I've done that before. If you do put them in, don't put them in part way, because they'll keep your tailgate, your back door, whatever, from closing correctly. And really don't be like me and forget to put the lug nuts back on all the way, because I found out the hard way that they come off. That was back when I was much younger. Barely able to drive. I think it was like my first or second year driving. And I'd rotated all my tires and done all this stuff. And then apparently I forgot to put the lug nuts back on, and my dad's boss was visiting. I gave him a ride, And we pulled up to where we were going. The tire passed us. Yep. That was not a good moment for me. Fortunately, that is not very likely to happen with just changing a bulb. But if it could, it probably would. Anyway, here's my evidence. Tightening these back up, just like a good boy. So going back in was a lot easier. That's interesting. Anyway, that's how you do it. Have a good day. Enjoy what you do. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Remember to make some time for fun. Bye, everybody.